Two men are accused of king-hitting a Sydney police officer during a late-night brawl have had their case thrown out of court.
The magistrate said there wasn't enough evidence to prove they assaulted Acting Superintendent Brendan Bullock and awarded them thousands of dollars in compensation.
Daryl McIntyre and Nathan Crookston walked free from court, cleared of any wrongdoing.
Are you happy with today's result?
No comment at this stage.
The 29-year-olds will now never be forced to take the stand in court and explain how a late-night brawl left one policeman dazed and concussed in the back of an ambulance. The men became involved in an altercation with patrol officers in Mortdale in Sydney's south 1 year ago today. It was alleged police were spat at and Acting Superintendent Brendan Bullock was king-hit in the jaw.
Did you attack that police officer?
Later in custody, police allege Crookston threatened to stalk and kill another officer before both men urinated in their cells. Today, the pair was due to face court on a range of charges, but the entire case was thrown out. The injured officer, who was set to be the star witness, was off work on stress leave.
Do you believe your clients got off on a technicality rather than their innocence?
I can't say anything further, thank you.
McIntyre, who was tasered during the brawl, claims he was the victim of police brutality.
Mr McIntyre, do you believe the police wrongly tasered you?
Of course.
Because police made repeated changes to the charges the two men were facing, the magistrate today awarded the pair more than $5,000 to cover their legal costs. She did, however, fall short of paying out their full $17,000 bill.
Very pleased indeed, very pleased.
Gabrielle Boyle, 10 News.
And Gabrielle joins us now from the Sydney Police Centre. Gabby, what's the police reaction been to this ruling?
Well, the Police Association say it's difficult to believe in this day and age that people would still think it's okay to physically or verbally abuse a police officer. They say this issue has great concern right across the force. They say that anyone caught doing the wrong thing can expect to experience the full force of the law.
Thank you, Gabrielle Boyle at the Sydney Police Centre.